have the perfect menu for you. If you think you've been eating too much, or you feel like it's cold outside and everybody's coughing and runny nose and having cold, it's the perfect soup for you. So what have I got? I've got lots of lovely healthy ingredients. I've got carrots here, I've got celeries, and I've chopped about 3 to 4 potatoes. I've leave them in water. Here I have leeks, yeah, which I've washed very well, thyme, coriander, and this is yellow split peas, and it's beautiful. So I'm just going to put half a cup of that. I've got obviously garlic, onions, I've got chili flakes, bay leaves, and 2 tablespoons of cumin, salt and pepper. So to start with, we're just going to chop the ingredient first, and we'll move on. It's very easy. You can chop your vegetable the night before. And this soup will be about for 7 people. So if you want just for 4 people, so you can half it and choose half of the ingredient. Okay, my next ingredient is carrots. I think I'm going to use all of them. There are 6 carrots here, and they're fairly small. Oh, okay, goes in my bowl here. Okay, and I've got a handful here of cilantro, coriander. I'm just going to chop them into little pieces here and just throw them in here. A little bit sweet, and it tastes nicer than the white onions. And 3 cloves of garlic. Just give it a good mash here. Oh la la. Voila! Put some olive oil in here to fry the onions and the garlic. The onions, the garlic. Let it sweat a bit. Oh, it smells lovely. Now I'm going to add the bay leaves, just a handful of bay leaves, 2 tablespoons of cumin, and some thyme. I'm just going to throw it in there. I'm not just going to put the stick, and afterwards we can remove them. Okay, now all the ingredient goes in. The leeks goes in, the celery, the carrots, the coriander, everything goes in. All it goes in there. Oh, smell lovely. Give it a good stir. So I'm going to let it fry for a good 2-3 minutes with the garlic and the onions before I add the yellow split peas and the chicken stocks. So let's just let it sweat a bit. Oh, isn't it look lovely? Smell beautiful here. Yeah, as you could see, it's been frying in all the spices here and all blending. So I'm going to add 1 cup of yellow split peas, and I'm going to add salt, pepper. I mean, salt and pepper, it's up to your taste. Give it a good mix, a really lovely mix. And here I've got another ingredient. I've got chili flakes. I mean, you don't have to put chili flakes, but I like that little bit of a bite. Just very little, maybe a teaspoon. Okay, and here I have chicken stock. So let me see, how much would I need? Probably 5 to 6 cups. And as it's boiling, as it's going along, you can see how much you want because the water will evaporate. So I've got about 5 to 6 cups. And now I'm just going to let it simmer for a good half an hour to 40 minutes. And the soup will be ready. So easy. Very easy and healthy and delicious too. So I'm going to put a cover and that will be it. Let it simmer. The soup has been simmering or boiling for a good 20 minutes, as you could see. It's nearly done. The carrots is nearly tender, crunchy, but I want it a bit more, 10 more minutes. And the peas as well. So 10 more minutes, and it smells beautiful. I can smell the cumin, the coriander, and the garlic. It's actually divine, really lovely. I just want to share something with you. I was sitting there thinking, oh my goodness me, you know, there is one thing in life that we could never stop. It will come to us all, and that's death. You know, it doesn't matter how old we are, you know, how much money we have in the bank account, how beautiful car we have, how big our house is. But one day, we are all going to die. And that's the reality of things. It's the big question is, what happened after death? Where do we go? Some people believe they're going to turn into animals, they're going to have a different life. And I tell you what, this is not the truth. The Bible say, you know, we are just passing by here. We have an eternal home in heaven. And how do we get into heaven? By being a good person? No. By giving charity or by doing good deed to others? But the Bible say we need to receive Jesus Christ in our hearts, in our life. That's the only way to heaven. And John 3:16 says, you know, the Lord gave his only begotten Son, so we will not perish, so we have everlasting life. And today, I just want you to think, I want you to ponder, if you die today, where will you go? And I tell you, heaven is real, hell is real. And in hell, there is no back door that you go in, you think I can escape. There is no back door, you burn in hell. And that's reality. So today I just want to encourage you, there is one way to heaven, and that's through Jesus Christ. Because one day we all have to face judgment, we all have to die. Where do we go? So I would pray with you today, and I would ask you, make a decision for Jesus, asking into your heart, into your life, because it's worth it. You might think, you know, I'm not going to die today, but you don't know. The answer is Jesus. So think today and ponder on it and receive Jesus in your life. And I'm praying for you. God bless you. Guys, the soup is ready. It's been boiling for a good 40 minutes. So are we ready for this? Whoa. So look at this. That's delicious. I'm going to pour it in the bowl here. Wow, look at that. That is smell divine, beautiful. Okay, I'm going to try some. Okay, let's see. This is lovely. On a cold day, and you got a bit of a cold and sore throat, runny nose, is just perfect. This is absolutely divine. And if you like what I've cooked today and you want to see more cooking, please subscribe to our channel and click the notification button. And until next time, taste and see that the Lord is good. God bless you.